Hi, myself Mukesh Tiwari, and I have attended all the these sessions of with Ridhima ma'am, these classes of the personal effectiveness classes. There is a total we have covered 5 modules, and in there are total 19 videos we have seen and discussed to each others. So firstly, I just tell you this is a very good sessions for us because in their session we have a learn in the personal things, little things we have a need for day-to-day basis in the personally and professionally also, like behaviors, communication skills, attitudes, which type of the classes of the egos meet each other. So we have all heard and we have learned about these videos, and it's a very grateful for us to implement our life, day-to-day life and use. So maybe the life or the life is very easy to survive and very easy to interact with other each other. So just let's begin with the first, the attitude and behaviors. These sessions we have learned about the how much type of the behaviors in the person to behave. The best part on this video, I remember those all guys who have advised me, and what is the best thoughts I who have advised to me. I write all these things are already sessions there. So when I do the sessions, I quite happy about the remember all the names in my life, the admired people, because sometimes I'll be in the busy in the life and I forgot the guy's name who had advised me. So in that time, thank you ma'am for the remember all the things, and with a very good great to this complete the first module like attitude and behaviors. In coming about the goal settings, the goal setting as the revision for me, because I have a do already in more than 2 times. So goal setting are smart, like specific, measurable, attainable, retainable, and time bound. So goal setting are make like this, and I do personally goal settings in my personal and professional also. So and some goals are also achieved, and some goals are in target. We are working on that, and I believe that definitely in my time will cover that in this due to lockdown and this COVID-19. Yes, some slightly time are exceed from, because some expectation is not completed till. So that's why the time will be going to more, but definitely it will be completed. And the third module is time management. So time management we have learned, and how to manage our time, work schedule, like in urgent, not urgent, important, non-important. So we have a make a my matrix on that, and we divide all the project day-to-day basis in these 4 modules, and then decide what is do first and what you do later. In these sessions, actually we have learn about what is called some yes. So in this session there is a naming from Ridhima ma'am is the very fantastic and attractive, like adult decision makers, child monkey, panic monster, about the like this time management. So when we do on that, name is also remember, because the name is different as the previous I heard about the time management courses and everything. So this is the actually this is great for us. Moving about the communication skills, yes, the communication skills is very important for all of you, because this part of everyone is nobody can perfect on that. And this communication skills is very big. His think his name is very little, but the communication skills is very big. There is a lots of things to lots of part contribute on that for making a conversation is successfully and great. There is a body language, non-verbal communication, verbal communications, listening skills. These are also contribute to making a conversation for the successful with two person and that one to another person also. So yes, there is a new things are coming on these sessions. We have a learn, we have a do, and we implement in our life. Let's think, let's do on the further also check to getting feedback more for what is the improvement on that. The coming on the fifth, interpersonal skill, communication skills. In this we have learned about the fourth step of the life, like forming, storming, norming, and performing. So these are steps is new. This session is new for me because before that I did not get it about. Yes, this like fourth step I know, but then the fourth step is coming on the intrapersonal skills. This is for new for me for knowing. So this all are done. We have had lots of large discussion with Ridhima ma'am and our leaders councils, approx 1 or 2 hour discussion about on this. So definitely this all session are good, and I am waiting for the next all session. Thank you, ma'am.